Hi guys, today I received this SYMA X20 pocket drone for reviewing purposes. I think it's very nice. It's a very small box, so let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, I'll leave the box over here. Okay, first thing we do, well, we see is this package. I'm not sure what it contains, so I'll open it. Okay, it contains 4 replacements from the Headless from the drone, a small screwdriver, and a cable that I think it's for charging it. It comes with its user manual. This will be very important. Uh, well, the control. Okay, you actually need 4 AAA batteries to turn on the controller. So I'll get in a second and let's finish the unboxing it now. Okay, and here's the drone. It's secured with this little things so carefully. Okay, we take the drone out, and as you can see, it's smaller than the palm of my hand. Okay, it has battery, that's a nice thing. So I'm gonna read the instruction manual to see how it works and get it set up, get the batteries from the controller, and we'll test it.
So I've already charged the drone, so you can see it's on, and now also the controller is on, and there it goes. As you can see, it's very small, controls very easily. You can set it up like this, and it's quite small. It's very fast, I must say it. You can land it on your hand and take it off from your hand. It's very fun to use. As you see, you can do many tricks. Very fun to use, yeah. It's a great toy. It's an amazing gift. I think it's for everybody's fun. Yeah, it's a great gift. I do recommend this drone. And I'm gonna turn it off and turn the controller off. So yeah, I hope you can use it. You need to read the manual. It's very needed, but it ain't hard to use. It's simple. It's a great toy. Really, really recommend it. As I said, you need to get the batteries. The controller uses 4 AAA batteries, which, I mean, in my house I already got them. CC, and the drone charge via USB Type C cable. No, Type B. Here is the charging port. So yeah, really, really recommend it. Hope you guys like it.